Now, we are still a month away from the Galaxy Z Fold 4's launch, and rumors and leaked images have suggested so much of things, like much more powerful chip in the form of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, not the 8 Gen 1, which is much more improved than the 8 Gen 1 Plus, a lot more efficient thanks to TSMC's 4nm process node. And also improved camera system, and other than that, we're not going to see a major improvement in terms of look or design. The design is going to be overall the same as the predecessor, the Z Fold 3. Now, we've already seen the renders, but now for one reason we have to look at it again. The renders that were leaked back in May had indicated the phone would be having a same kind of camera bump, the waterfall camera bump, just like the S22 Ultra, meaning the sensors would be placed directly on the phone's back and there wouldn't be a dedicated camera bump. And yeah, that just might make it look good or might make it look bad compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, Twitter leaker TikTok TV, who already in the past also shows the Z Flip 4's real-life hands-on images, has said the renders are almost correct, but the camera bump or the camera layout isn't. Actually, it will have a camera bump just like the Z Fold 3. So that means Samsung isn't trying to ditch the Galaxy Z Fold 3's good look from the back. It will look just as good as the Z Fold 3. And as for the cameras, well, it will surely get a massive upgrade. A 50 megapixel main camera. We've already heard that, and it will be. The leaker also confirmed that. Aside from that, it will also have a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter and a 12 megapixel 3x telephoto zoom camera, just like the Z Fold 3. So there is no change. The main camera will be a different one. Will that make it a flagship level camera? Well, probably yes, probably no, I don't know. Now, for reference, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a 12 megapixel camera, a main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle, and a 12 megapixel 2x telephoto zoom camera. Now, aside from all these things, we have already seen the leaked benchmarks, and they shows that the Fold 4 will be quite a bit faster, or at least it will have much more raw power compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. But if you're asking anything else we're gonna see with this phone, well, it will be a little bit wider compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So it will have wider aspect ratio both in the cover display and also in the main display. And it will have much less visible crease compared to Galaxy Z Fold 3's obnoxious crease. So yeah, that would be a big massive upgrade. But here's the thing, if you're asking about the battery and charging upgrade, well, there would be nothing. The battery capacity would be same, the charging speeds are gonna be the same as well. And this device will likely be announced on 10th of August at the next Unpacked event, where it will also share the stage with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Galaxy Watch 5. You can check out their videos on this channel as well. I will link down below. Now, here is an update. Samsung reported plans to release the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in a dark red color, but you may not be able to get it easily. According to display supply chain consultant Ross Young, the red foldable will come in very limited quantities, and it's very much possible that Samsung will sell it only on their online store, just like they did with the Galaxy S22 series. So it's kind of like Samsung is trying to incentivize the customers to purchase directly through their online web store. So that's kind of a good though. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you really like the red color, or you'll probably be like, whatever? And before the outro, I have a new web series wallpaper pack for you, Web 3. It has total of 20 different extremely sharp, close to 8K resolution wallpapers custom made for desktops, tablets and smartphones to shoot your moods. And the link is in the description below for you to check out. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.